YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and today I'm back with another video. But before I get too far going into this video, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, follow me on Instagram at Mr. Wavy843. But today's video is gonna be about a quick update on the waves, because I know y'all ain't seen them in a while. But I'm recently woofing. I'm working on connections, flow, and breaking force. When you're woofing, you always want to woof with a purpose and not woof just because your favorite wave will woof for a long period of time. So with that being said, I'm about to cut to the next scene and on rag and show y'all them things. But before I do, y'all gotta hit that subscribe and that like button.